The best outdoor security cameras for 2020. Best outdoor security camera. Arlo Pro 3. Why we picked it. The Arlo Pro 2 was our pick for the best outdoor security camera for some time, but after testing the Arlo Pro 3, we feel it edges out its predecessor. It boasts 2K video resolution and a wider viewing angle. Each weatherproof camera also has color night vision, with a built-in LED spotlight you can manually activate or trigger in response to motion. There's also a built-in siren that can alert you to danger, and you can set the siren to trigger remotely. The Arlo Pro 3's audio quality is excellent, and conversation flows naturally through the two-way audio system. The Arlo Pro 3 camera system comes with 2 cameras, but you can add on additional cameras. The system is compatible with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Plus, it's wire-free, so you won't have to deal with any pesky wires. The Pro 3 includes a 3-month free trial of Arlo Smart, which gives you access to advanced features like 30 days of recording history, activity zones, enhanced 911 calling, and advanced detection features. Best budget outdoor camera. Swan wire-free security camera. Why we picked it. Swan is no stranger when it comes to outdoor cameras, since they offer some comprehensive systems that consists of multiple cameras for monitoring. Luckily, they're also mindful that people crave value, which is why the Swan wire-free security camera makes our list as the best budget outdoor camera. For its $150 cost, you're getting a camera packed with features like 1080p footage, wide-angle 180-degree field of view, two-way audio, and a weatherproof design. With its magnetic mounting base, it can be easily articulated to cover any vantage point. It's a wire-free option that's battery-powered, which means that it can be installed in just about any part of the home. And finally, it features True Detect technology that can sense heat, motion, and people. It'll ensure that nothing goes undetected while it's on patrol watching over your home. Best outdoor camera without a subscription. Blink XT2. Why we picked it. Don't want to rely on your home's electricity to power the security camera system because you're wary of a power outage? These cameras from Blink are totally wire-free and run on 2AA lithium batteries, which promise to last for about 2 years without needing to be replaced. The camera also comes equipped with motion detection, so when the unit senses motion, the Wi-Fi-enabled device will send a real-time alert to your smartphone and a short recorded clip. The Blink XT2 comes with free cloud storage and a variety of features, including two-way audio, infrared night vision, and customizable motion zones. It has a clear 1080p picture, and it is weather-resistant IP65 rating, so you use it indoors or outdoors, and you can connect up to 10 devices on one Blink Sync module. Best outdoor camera for night vision. Nest Cam IQ Outdoor. Why we picked it. One of the most popular outdoor security cameras on the market for good reason. The Nest Cam IQ Outdoor lets you keep an eye on your property at all times. It plugs directly into power, so you'll never have to worry about replacing any dead batteries. The camera also sends live alerts directly to your smartphone if it hears any loud sounds, like a window smashing. The model comes equipped with excellent two-way communication, letting you ask the FedEx person to leave the package on the porch or help you scare away any would-be thieves. What's most impressive about the IQ Outdoor is the superior night image quality. At maximum strength, images at night are extremely crisp, even from long distances away. The camera also features an enhance mode, where you can zoom in on various locations and get a clear image of what you've zoomed in on. You can also focus and zoom in on people in the camera's field of view. Best outdoor camera for cold weather. Lorex Smart Outdoor Security Camera. Why we picked it. When you live in an area with harsh winters, it's especially important to find a camera that can withstand the frigid temperatures. That's why the Lorex Smart Outdoor Security Camera earns our pick, thanks in part to its construction. In fact, it's been designed to work in cold temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition to its solid protection for winter, the Lorex Smart Outdoor Security Camera actually offers a well-rounded package at a price that's reasonable. As an outdoor camera, it hits the mark by featuring an integrated siren, spotlight, and two-way audio. If that's not enough, it even has some handy features to reduce redundant notifications, like detection zones and people detection. Best outdoor wireless camera. Ring stick-up cam battery. Why we picked it. While there are plenty of wireless outdoor cameras on the market, we like Ring's stick-up cam battery because of how versatile and affordable it is. It comes with a base that can be bent in multiple directions and allow for mounting on a ceiling, wall, fence post, or wherever you want to stick it. Setup of the device takes just a few minutes via Ring's fantastic app. The stick-up cam battery features 1080p video quality, adjustable motion detection, and two-way audio with noise cancellation. Night vision is decent too. Owned by Amazon, all Ring products are compatible with Alexa, so if you have an Echo Show or Echo Spot device, you'll be able to view video footage from the camera on those devices. Ring has faced a bit of scrutiny lately over the level of security and privacy their devices provide. Some users have reported their Ring cameras being hacked, and a handful of Ring employees have reportedly been fired for accessing customer video feeds. Ring announced it will be adding a privacy dashboard as well as additional privacy and security features. Best Value Security Camera Kit. Eufy 2. Why we picked it. Anker's smart home brand, Eufy, has made great strides in the last couple of years. The Eufy 2 is particularly noteworthy because of its value, a combination between stellar features at a value price for a two-piece camera kit. At $350, you get an outdoor camera built to withstand the weather with its IP67 rating, 1080p video resolution, night vision, Alexa compatibility, 365-day battery life, and no monthly fee thanks to its secure local storage option. The entire package is made better knowing that it performs solidly as a security camera, offering excellent video footage and clear night vision. Add to that, it can scare off unwanted intruders with its built-in 100 decibel siren. Considering that you're getting two cameras for the price, it's a value that's hard to overlook.